Now, India is now the sixth most affected country due to the coronavirus pandemic. After having reported a maximum spike in the COVID-19 cases, India has surpassed even the worst affected European nations such as Italy and France. However, the government has continued to move ahead with its unlocking policy to revive the economy. Now, in the last 24 hours, India has reported its highest ever spike in the coronavirus infections, a record number of 9,983 people were found to have contracted the infection after the government carried out widespread testing to limit the spread of the virus. Now, India has also reported its first case of COVID-19 on the 30th of January, and today the country has got more than 126,000 active cases. The government has, of course, decided to allow a number of relaxations. New cases of infections have been on the rise and are expected to rise further. Now, in the past 5 days, India has consistently reported over 9,000 cases pretty much every day. As many as 49,000 cases have been reported in just the last 5 days, with over 1,300 deaths. The COVID-19 trajectory in India is steadily rising, and India has also crossed its 200,000 mark on the 3rd of June. In just a span of 5 days, the number of new COVID-19 cases has risen to over 250,000 as states have started to ease the coronavirus-related rules. Now, India has reported a total of 7,135 fatalities and over 256,000 cases, out of which 124,000 patients have recovered from the infection. The recovery rate presently is said to be about 48.35%. But states such as Maharashtra, the Delhi NCR are amongst the worst hit. In the southern state of Tamil Nadu, there are at this point of time more than 14,000 active cases and about 250 people have lost their lives. Now, despite a massive surge of COVID-19 infections, India has, of course, decided to reopen its economy. Starting today, India is beginning what is being described as Unlock 1.0, unlocking the economy with reopening of shopping malls, places of worship, restaurants, and pretty much a lot of other non-essential services. But experts have continued to warn about a possible second wave of infections and have strictly advised people to maintain social distancing.